So friends, welcome to my channel. If you guys facing this problem in your Valorant game, the update is stuck at 0.1 KB per second. So guys, you can watch this video till end. So firstly, you can like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos like that. So guys, I'm showing in this video the two ways to fix this problem. In the two ways, the first way is to restart the download. Yes guys, the steps is below. Quit the launcher. Open your task manager by pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus delete key. Search for Riot, Vanguard and other processes starting with Riot. Right click on all of the Riot processes and click End process, and the fifth step is start the download again. So guys, this is the steps to restart the download, and this is the first way. And going to the second way is make changes to DNS. Yes guys, internet connected devices are identified by their IP addresses. DNS servers minimize the need to learn IP addresses. The configuration page of your router can be accessed after login in. Keep everything else the same, but configure your primary and secondary DNS to any of the following: 1.1.1.1, 1.0.0.1, 8.8.8.8, and 4.2.2.2. So guys, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.